The name of organic compounds were related to the natural things from which they were obtained. For example, the formic acid was initially obtained by distillation of red ants. Latin name of the red ant is formica. So, the name of the formic acid was derived from the Latin name of its source later. The organic compounds were synthesized from source other than the natural sources. So, scientists framed a systematic method for naming organic compounds based on their structures. Hence, a set of rules was formulated by IUPAC, International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry, for the nomenclature of chemical compounds. Compounds of an IUPAC name. The IUPAC name of any organic compounds consists of three parts. One is root word, second is prefix, third one is suffix. These parts are combined as per the following sequences to get the IUPAC name of the following component. Prefix, root word, suffix gives a IUPAC name. Root word. It gives the number of carbon atoms present in the parent chain of the compound and the pattern of their arrangements. Based on the number of carbon atoms present in the carbon skeleton, most of the names are derived from Greek numeric, except the first four. Prefix. The prefix represents the substituent or branch present in the parent chain atoms or group of atoms other than hydrogen attached to the carbon of the parent chain are called substituents. Prefix for IUPAC name for some substituents: F fluoro, Cl chloro, Br bromo, I idio, amino, CH3 methyl, CH2 CH3 ethyl. Suffix. The suffix forms the end of the name. It is divided into two parts such as primary suffix and secondary suffix. The primary suffix comes after the root word. It represents the nature and carbon to carbon bond of the parent chain. If all the bonds between the carbon atoms of the parent chain are single, then suffix "-an" has to be used. Suffix "-in" and "-ein" are used for the compounds containing double bond and triple bond. The second suffix describes the functional group of the compound. Functional groups: alcohol, OH, suffix OL used. Aldehyde, CHO, suffix AL used. Ketone, CO double bond, ONE used. Carbolic acid, COOH, suffix oic acid used. Identify the longest chain of carbon atoms to get their parent name. Root word. Rule 2. Number the carbon atoms of the parent chain beginning at the closest end of the substandard or functional group. These are called locant number. If both functional groups and substandard are present, then the priority will be given to the functional group. Rule 3. In case of alkenes and alkynes, locate the double bond or triple bond and use the locant number followed by a dash and a primary suffix. The carbon chain is numbered in such a way that the multiple bonds have the lowest possible locant number. Rule number 4. If the compound contains a functional group, locate it and use it locant number followed by a dash and a secondary suffix. Rule number 5. When the primary and secondary suffix are joined, the terminal E of the primary suffix is removed. Rule number 6. Identify the substandard and use a number followed by a dash and a prefix to specify its location and identity.